Hello everyone, I'm Binita Sarkar and I'm a trainee software engineer in PCS Global. In PCS Global, I got to learn many things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, TypeScript, Bootstrap, etc. But in this week, I was more focusing on JavaScript. So today I'm going to talk about the basic differences between JavaScript and jQuery. So being a developer, the first thing we need to learn is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So JavaScript is a language and jQuery is a library programmed in JavaScript. So JavaScript is there in every web browser. We don't need to link it or do anything. All we just need to do use the script tag and write the JavaScript code in it and it will work. On the other hand, jQuery, we can download it from its official website and link it in our HTML page, and jQuery can also be linked in from CDN link. So what is CDN? CDN is a content delivery network which refers geographically distributed groups of servers which work together to provide more faster delivery of internet content. So jQuery doesn't work on its own, while in JavaScript we need to select an element and apply a function from the available function of jQuery. So for that, first we need to do is we need to just link it the jQuery link in our HTML page, and then in below of it we need to write the JavaScript code and in script tag, in between script tag. So basically JavaScript is a very high level multi-paradigm descriptive prime language, and it is used to make websites more interactive and responsive. While on the other hand, jQuery is an open source crossbreed from the JavaScript library, which specifies the interaction in our web pages. So JavaScript is widely famous for its own philosophy, which is write less and do more. And JavaScript, on the other hand, JavaScript may require more lines of code to do the specific task. And JavaScript is a combination of compiler and interpreter, and it is written in C. So jQuery, on the other hand, jQuery we don't need to write more. It requires relatively less codes. While jQuery needs only specific functions and method to do the specific task in our library, and jQuery doesn't need more codes or more lines. To select an element in jQuery, all we need to do is just use the $sign and link and give the link in our HTML page, where JavaScript may require relatively more codes in the HTML page. So what I basically meant to say is JavaScript takes more time for that long coding and all, and jQuery doesn't take much time. It will take less time. All we just need to do just add the link in our HTML page, which contains 1 or 2 lines maximum. That's all from my side. Thank you.